Hi, I'm Teacher Aaron. Welcome to my story time. Today, our story is Packing My Bag. Boys and girls, do you like to travel? I do. I love to travel. Friends, look at the picture. What can you see? Yes, I can see a little boy. I can see a teddy bear. And I can see a suitcase. That's his bag. He is going to travel. Today, our story is Packing My Bag. I have my pants. Boys and girls, look at the picture. What color are his pants? Yes, his pants are gray. G-R-A-Y, gray. His pants are gray. I have my shirt. Friends, what color is his shirt? Very good. His shirt is blue, yellow, white, and gray. I like his shirt. I have my socks. Friends, how many socks can you see? I can see 1, 2 socks. I can see 2 white socks. I have my shoes. Boys and girls, what color are your shoes? Yes, your shoes are brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. I have my toothbrush. Friends, what do we do with a toothbrush? Yes, that's right. We brush our teeth. I have my pajamas. Boys and girls, when do you wear your pajamas? That's right. You wear your pajamas when you go to sleep. I have my bear. Boys and girls, what is the bear? The bear is a toy. T-O-Y. I can see a toy teddy bear. I have my bag. Friends, the boy is saying goodbye. And I am saying goodbye to all of you. I'm Teacher Aaron. Thank you for reading a story with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.